feel like you have difficulty in understanding things taught in class? Don't worry, you're not alone. Feeling lost in the class and difficulty in understanding concept is the problem where every student faces many times during his or her studies. It is sometimes very difficult to start your study journey as you feel completely lost. The first and foremost thing is to become super attentive and start learning in class. Take down notes, make an effort to learn the most thing in your class. Ask doubts and listen to the doubts asked by your friends. Another solution to your problem is crystal clear planning of your studies. Chart out a plan as to how many chapters you will be able to study in a day. In your enthusiasm, don't create a timetable which is extremely difficult to follow with large number of chapters to study in a day. Create a timetable which is easy to follow, and each small achievement will further increase to the interest in your studies. Mastering your prescribed textbook is your next task. Start with the problems or questions from your textbook first, and only once you have mastered your textbook, then move to the problems or exercises outside the textbook, sample question papers or any other reference books. Have a positive bent of mind. No matter what, you will succeed in your goal of getting good marks and making your teachers and parents proud. Remember, understanding takes time and effort. Don't give up. Every small win will contribute to your big win in your board exams. So, grab a textbook and conquer confusion like a champion.